Hello, welcome to this Excel tutorial. In this tutorial, we will learn about the basic features of Excel. Now here, when we click on this cell, called cells A1, A2, A3, B1, B2, B3. So, how do we know that this is A1? Right here we can know from here, this is the address bar A1, which means A column and one row. And now if I type here A, B, C, now we can see here the value. This is called formula bar. And now here we have ribbons: file, insert, page layout, formulas, data, review, view, developer, and home. So these are called ribbons. Now within this home, we have many groups like cut, copy, or we have the other one like for font size, the color, and for the alignment, the numbers, and the styles. Like suppose I have typed ABC here and I want to align it at the center. When I click on this here, the text will be at the center. And now with this font, I can change the color of the text to red, or I can go to the more options and I can select any color I want. Now with this, I can change the color of the cell like to green, blue. So these are called groups within the ribbon named Home, or we can say Home tab. We can change the font size as well, or we can play around with the text within this Home tab. And we have different like inserts. We can insert tables, pictures, or like charts. And here we have a small button. Like when I click on this, we can have more options like all charts, different charts, line, pie chart, bar chart, and all of this. Like in page layout, I can have many options like margins, background, and so on. In formulas, we have like logical formulas, mathematical formulas. So this tab or this ribbon will help us in achieving the task that we want to. And now at the top we have this quick access toolbar. Like suppose I write here VOK VOK. Now I want to undo this, so I can click on this. So this is a quick access toolbar. And in this toolbar, in quick access toolbar, we can have our own customized options, like we can just right click on it and customize quick access toolbar. And from here we can choose any tool which we want, like cut, and click on the add and just click on the OK now. So now we can see the cut is added in the quick access toolbar. And now if we want to customize the ribbon, so right click on it and customize the ribbon. And here we just click on the new tab and we can rename this tab. Right click on it and rename it like My Ribbon. Press enter. And now when I click on this, I can add the tool I want, like all commands. Like I want this, a data occurring, address. Okay, whatever tools you want to add, you can add within this ribbon, like camera, and just click OK. Now my ribbon has been added in the ribbon tab. So when I click on this, I will be able to see the tools that I have added within the tab My Ribbon. So in Excel, like let's see if I type here 1 in C1 and in C2 if I type 4. Now when I just press Shift and then C2. So this C1 and C2 has been selected in the Excel range. And now at the bottom, I will be able to see that the Excel has recommended some of the values like average, count, and sum. So the Excel, as soon as we select the range of cells, the Excel will automatically tell us the average, count, and sum. So 4 plus 1, sum is 5. And count means we have 2 rows. And the average is the average of 4 and 1. So that's how the Excel will make our calculation faster. And now, if we have lots of cells, like we have to move around from left to right, like this, we can't go directly. We have a shortcut, like we can just press Ctrl and right key. So we are at the end of the column. Go back, Ctrl, left arrow. Okay. Now if you want to go to the bottom of the rows, then we can click on Ctrl, page down. So we are at the most bottom, which is in Excel we have more than 1 million rows. And now if you want to add more sheet in Excel, we can just click on this plus button. Sheet 2, add another sheet, sheet 3. So we can navigate from one sheet to the another. Okay, now if you want to zoom out or zoom in our Excel sheet, we can click on this, and we have a plus button, which is zoom in. We can zoom in up to 400%. And now if you want to zoom out, we can go up to 40%. So this is the basic features of Excel. In the next video, we will be learning the basic functions of Excel.